fold. Fidel Tupas kasama si Paulo Hobalde and Gian Alianes bringing you the action from Bacoor City. And we are underway. Bacoor in blue and Iloilo.
Iba yung approach ng game nila against previous laban nila. Tulad ng mga ganon.
Inside, Josh Flores scores under.
Take over.
Yeah, that's true. Igilos down low, blocked by Onteco. Isa pa from Igilos and he will not be denied.
He's just
drives. Denied by Igilos. Nermal on the run. John Nermal off the glass and in. And that has translated to a very high draft stock for him. Inside, Onteco scores. We're tied again at 5. There's no ball there. Larupay drives. Wala. Second serving. Oh, my Larupay.
challenge.
3 points during the regular season. And almost 6.5 rebounds. Nerbal! Dire-diretso.
Yun na yung sinasabi kong confidence.
Flores.
Bawi
Right back
agad.
at you. Right back at you, John Nermal. Corner, they go. Nermal in and out. Ludovise with a rebound. Gets it to Quecote. Attack and score. Navarro. Onteco with a jumper. That's good.
That's his shot.
He played with 5 on the shot clock. Nermal has to put it up. John. Oh my goodness. John Nermal unfazed, knocks down the 3. And we are tied at 13. Marquis, his own version of a 3.
As always.
Nermal. 3 in the ball game para kay John. Ludovise.
Good attack.
Katapusan!
Oh, wow.
What a play!
What a pass.
Ludovise to Jaime. Liu. Quecote. Drives off the glass and in.
The Euro step.
Liu. Ludovise. 3. In and out and in again. Here's Liu. Drives. 3-pointer, Ivan. 9 points, 11 points off the
11
bench.
points.
And
Good
Arminion,
attack,
man. A quick response. No. Quecote tracks down the loose ball. Hammer,
Napaganda pa.
31-19, Imperial misses a 12-point lead. Mid to 2006 yata yun. Here's Ludovise. Jaime, 3. Yes!
That's unselfish basketball.
Inside they go. It's J.R. Sumido.
First 2 points for
Great passing. And Bacoor. Great passing. Chito Jaime. Miles from the Bacoor faithful as their team is up by 16. Onteco breaks the press, attacks, and scores.
Great activity to do with her is help her with her homework. JR says, ngayon na may pamilya na ako, hindi lang para sa sarili ko ang nilalaro ko. Back to you guys.
Maraming salamat, Gianna, but
9 points for Chito Jaime.
9 points now for Chito Jaime, and J.R. Onteco just runs over him. Pero Onteco in front of him. Shot clock down to 2. Mark has to fire.
Oh, no.
Win. Craniel Veloria back to Alwin. Drives baseline. Alday finds
pass.
Igilos.
Minsan.
Here's Arminion. Pulls up. Yes, finally.
Bawi sa missed free throws.
No, they're up against it.
Yes.
Against dito sa Bacoor City Strikers. Pero, siyempre, gusto mo from your coach. Walang ano. Pastoran has to cross midcourt and he gets double teamed. Releases it to Yi. Yi fires a three. Yes, sir. Ball game as well. Navarro. Step back jumper is good.
Finally. Step up for this game.
Oo. 16 points ang lamang ng Bacoor. 2:20 remaining. Kwekate joins the three-point barrage.
Yun. Kay Alcoriza.
Oo.
Meron para talaga.
Oo, meron pa. Marlon Basco. That is the first three. Oh, but there's a lot of
nice move.
what a getaway from
Nice
Kwekate.
move.
What a getaway. That is so smooth. Ni pong mga Ilonggo tsaka taga Bacolod sa team na yan. So halos magkakakilala ng mga players natin, and as they make they study this end game incident, no, halftime, no, end of quarter incident, we will go into no, not yet. No, we'll go into a break. 57-37 at the end of the first half. Lamang ang Bacoor. Okay, gets it to Nermal against Flores. Get the switch. Nermal, step back three.
Another 3 points.
Bring you the 3-point shot of the game. Brought to you by Extreme One-Stop Shop Appliances. Onteco scores underneath. No, lamang ka ng 20 kanina.
Well, continue lang or dagdagan mo pa.
Oo. No, malamang. Sabihin ko na lang, 0-0 pa rin, ha?
Oh, exactly.
And Shakib, and
Almost.
that was a really slick spin move. Flores for three.
Finally.
That's good. Navarro. Marlon Basco for three. That's good. Marlon Basco. A timely hit. Very good. Ginagamit talaga siya dito ni Coach MC, no, with his veteran smarts. Kwekate.
So babawian ka ng 3 points din.
Navarro, back to Basco, closed out by Hamito. Flores
Ayan na.
answers right back. Jay Avelosa. Enzo Navarro pulls up. Yes, sir. Laro. And we're seeing that right now.
I think credits to simple grind, I think.
Enzo Navarro, what a shot. 63-57. Basco puts the ball on the deck, scoring this quarter 20-6. Armin Yon, big shot. Imperial has it against Kwekate. Shaq fires and
Wow!
hits. We are tied at 63.
Si Ruta magtitimon ngayon.
Ruta to Nermal. Nermal will fire.
There you go.
Instant offense. Points para kay John Nermal. Imperial. Right into the gut of the D.
Wow.
Banks it in for two.
A body to
As we head into the final quarter of Game 1, it's the Iloilo United Royals with a 3-point lead. And 32 ang in-score ng
yun.
Iloilo. Kwekate for three, and we have tied again.
5th rebound for Nermal.
Nermal is open. Three-pointer, that's good.
It's Navarro's time to
Navarro, jumper, that's good.
back at you.
Back like he never. Bacoor to long three-pointers, contested three-pointers.
They're letting them shoot the 3.
Katapusan lays it in for two.
Ayaw nila.
Ise.
Kailangan talaga takbuhan ang Bacoor.
Nermal, corner 3. Pasok yan! #23. Big points para kay John Nermal, refusing to lose. Oh!
Kahit na nakakashoot sila.
Navarro, zigzagging his way inside, out to Larupay. Pasok yan! 5-point. Navarro, shot clock down to 5. Nermal gives it up to Heruta. The one-hander from Aaron off the glass and in. It finds Marquis. Kwekate, they want to go. Goes downhill. James Kwekate.
It's a good attack.
And they execute when they have court. What a
Nice
pass.
pass.
What a pass.
Nice pass.
What a pass. Yi. Kwekate fires and hits.
Wow.
Navarro gives it up. Onteco. Umatake. JR basket and one.
One assist.
Oo. Nasa ilalim siya dun eh. And James Kwekate scores underneath.
Yun yung ano, malaki din. Walang tao.
Losa diving for that loose ball. Another possession for
It's a great
Iloilo.
hustle by Havelosa.
Imperial knocks it down. Kwekate. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Kwekate goes downhill. Met by Flores. Rebound, Havelosa. Loose ball. Kwekate has it. Jaime is
Jaime got fouled.
fouls to give. Jaime, second free throw. Yes.
That's it.
Katapusan has it. CJ will fire. Oh! Oh my goodness! CJ Katapusan!
Tinapos! CJ Tinapos! Tinapos si Dev!
Wow! Big three-pointer for CJ Katapusan.
What an upset si Dev.
Which team you are. No, kung saan ang allegiance mo, yan yung reaction ng lahat ng basketball fans. An 89-86 victory para sa Iloilo United Royals over the #1 seed, the Bacoor City Strikers, and they will head to Zamboanga next week with a chance to take out Bacoor.
The #1